Today we are going to discuss social psychology, which is a study of how our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are influenced by others. Today we are going to discuss attitudes, and in future lessons we are going to look at theories of aggression, attraction, and group behavior. Attitudes can either be positive or negative, and these are based on our feelings and our beliefs. So you can have a positive or negative feeling about an item or a person or an idea, such as if I ask you about 7-Up or Sprite, you may say you have a neutral attitude. If I say Pepsi or Coke, you may have a strong attitude towards one or the other. Mere exposure effect is a constant contact with the stimuli which leads to appeal. So this is how billboards work. You see a product over and over, and when you go into the supermarket to buy an item, you would pick one that you would recognize, such as laundry detergent. We are persuaded by central route content, which is, if you are buying a car, you would buy a car based on the gas mileage, options the car will offer, and maybe a safety rating, compared to peripheral route of persuasion, which is listening to how excited somebody is about a product, such as an infomercial. Maybe you have a magic bullet because you've seen the commercial of how cool it can be to make your own smoothies or salsa. Sometimes we have cognitive dissonance, which is that uneasy feeling when our behavior and our attitudes do not coincide, such as if somebody decided to cheat on a test, which goes against their attitude, they try to get rid of their cognitive dissonance by making excuses or rationalizing. For instance, saying that it was because their teacher was poor or that everybody else was also cheating. We have compliance strategies such as foot in the door, which is that you ask for small requests and then in the end you make a larger request of somebody. So you're buying a new car, the person may try to add on a navigation system, a moonroof, and in the end you pay for a larger car or a larger price. Door in the face is when you ask for a larger item when you originally just want a smaller item. So you're going out for the weekend and you ask your parents for $40 only when you need $20, and then you negotiate down to $20 and they feel like they have negotiated well and you both have won. Norms of reciprocity is that we like to give somebody equal value for what they gave for us. For instance, if you were buying a birthday gift, you try to spend the same amount of money as the person bought you a gift. Or when we get return labels in the mail from a charity, you feel the need to send them a check.